Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of household gadgets to bring you the top 5 best handheld vacuums of 2024. Whether you're dealing with pesky crumbs, pet hair, or just need a quick cleanup, we've got you covered. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. Let's dive right into it. Starting off our list at number 5 is the BLACKDECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean. This handheld vacuum is a compact powerhouse, perfect for tackling those small messes with ease. Stay tuned to find out why the Dustbuster Advanced Clean is a must-have for quick cleanups. The BLACKDECKER Dustbuster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum, your ultimate companion for quick and efficient cleaning. Tired of switching between vacuums for different surfaces? The Dustbuster Advanced Clean has got you covered. This powerhouse effortlessly removes hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, car interiors, furniture, and high-traffic areas, making it the ideal choice for all your cleaning needs. Designed with your convenience in mind, this handheld vacuum is lightweight and portable. Easy to carry and maneuver, it tackles tight spaces with ease. The charging base adds a touch of practicality, ensuring your vacuum is always ready for action. Say goodbye to bending over constantly during cleaning. The onboard extension of the Dustbuster Advanced Clean minimizes strain, providing an ergonomic solution for a more comfortable cleaning experience. Navigate through tight spaces effortlessly. The nozzle rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to reach into corners and angles that traditional vacuums can't access. Hard-to-reach areas are no longer a challenge. The pull-out crevice tool lets you delve into spaces between couch cushions and on top of shelves, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Versatility is key, and the Dustbuster Advanced Clean delivers. The flip-up brush adds an extra layer of functionality, perfect for dusting and vacuuming upholstery with ease. Experience consistently strong suction power. The cyclonic action spins dust and debris away from the filter, maintaining optimal performance throughout your cleaning tasks. Monitor your progress effortlessly with the translucent, bagless dirt bowl. Emptying it is a breeze, ensuring convenient debris disposal without any messy encounters. Keep your vacuum in top-notch condition. The washable dirt bowl and filter can be easily cleaned right in the sink, maintaining peak performance for the long run. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the Dustbuster Advanced Clean is your go-to solution for larger jobs requiring quick cleanup. Cut the cord and experience the freedom of hassle-free cleaning. At number 4, we have the Bissell Aeros Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Sleek, cordless, and efficient, the Aeros is designed for convenience. Whether it's crumbs on the countertop or dust on your furniture, this vacuum gets the job done. Click the link below to explore its features. The Bissell Aeros Lithium-Ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum, your compact cleaning companion. Elevate your cleaning routine while supporting a great cause. Every purchase of the Bissell Aeros contributes to saving pets, as Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help homeless pets. Experience the freedom of cordless cleaning with the lithium-ion battery that provides up to 12 minutes of powerful cleaning. Tackle quick cleanups almost anywhere in your home or on the go. Designed with your active lifestyle in mind, the Aeros is compact enough to store, clean, and charge in your car or office. Enjoy the convenience of on-the-go cleaning whenever and wherever you need it. Equipped with a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush, the Aeros ensures that you're ready to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. The tools conveniently store together with the hand vacuum on one stand, ensuring they are always within reach. Charging your handheld vacuum is a breeze with the included USB charging cable and standard charger. Enjoy the versatility of charging your Aeros using your computer, car, or any USB-compatible charging port. Elevate your space with the Aeros modern aesthetic. Its sleek design allows it to fit seamlessly into any environment. Integrated tool storage and a stand add a touch of practicality, ensuring your Aeros is always ready for action. With a charge time of 2.5 to 3.5 hours, your Aeros will be ready to tackle messes in no time. Enjoy minimal downtime and maximum efficiency with this compact cleaning solution. Securing the third spot is the BLACKDECKER Max Flex. This handheld vacuum offers flexibility like no other, with a versatile design that reaches tight spots effortlessly. Discover why the Max Flex is a game changer for your cleaning routine. Check the link in the description for more details. The BLACKDECKER 20V Flex Handheld Vacuum, your compact cleaning solution for hard-to-reach spaces. Experience the freedom of cordless cleaning with the 20V Max Lithium Hand Vac. This ultra-compact and portable vacuum provides powerful suction for quick and efficient cleanups. The included pet brush enhances its versatility for tackling stubborn pet hair. Equipped with a 4-foot flexible hose, this handheld vacuum allows you to clean from floor to ceiling with ease. No corner or tight space is out of reach, making it the ideal solution for those hard-to-clean areas. Cleaning up is a breeze with the washable bowl and filter. The 17 ounces capacity dirt bowl is easy to empty, and the washable components ensure long-lasting performance. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance for continuous cleaning efficiency. Featuring a quick charging station and base, this handheld vacuum is always ready for action. Keep the unit charged and accessories organized for immediate use whenever and wherever you need it. The included pet brush, BDH200 FEPH, is designed to tackle stubborn pet hair from carpets, stairs, and other upholstery. Say goodbye to pesky pet hair with this specialized attachment. Stepping into the runner-up position is the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus Handheld Vacuum. Designed with pet owners in mind, this vacuum tackles pet hair and dander with precision. If you have furry friends at home, you won't want to miss what the Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus has to offer. The Shark Cordless Handheld Vacuum Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus, your ultimate solution for powerful and convenient cleaning. Experience the cleaning prowess of 2 ultra-powerful cyclonic air streams that deliver exceptional suction. Enjoy long-lasting filter and motor life, ensuring reliable performance during every use. The detachable self-cleaning pet power brush is your go-to solution for eliminating hair wrap from floors, upholstery, and the brush roll. Tackle pet hair with ease and efficiency, keeping your spaces fur-free. Take on big cleaning tasks without interruption, thanks to the XL Dust Cup. This feature ensures you can focus on cleaning rather than constantly emptying the vacuum, making it perfect for larger cleaning projects. Weighing in at only 2.8 pounds, this handheld vacuum is designed for ultimate portability. Easily carry it wherever you need to clean, whether it's tackling pet hair on upholstery or reaching tight spaces. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance with the washable filter, allowing for easy cleanup after use. Keep your vacuum in top-notch condition, ready for the next cleaning session. Say goodbye to messy cleanups with the CleanTouch Dirt Ejector. Dispose of debris hands-free, ensuring a hygienic and convenient cleaning experience. Powered by lithium-ion technology, this handheld vacuum ensures reliable and consistent performance with each use. Experience the convenience of efficient cleaning without compromise. Equipped with a crevice tool and scrubbing brush, this vacuum enables you to clean hard-to-reach places and tackle stuck-on dirt effectively. Enjoy a comprehensive cleaning solution in one compact device. And now, claiming the #1 spot is the Shark Juan Vac. This handheld vacuum combines style with substance, providing powerful suction in a sleek design. Whether it's on your stairs, furniture, or car interior, the Shark Juan Vac gets the job done efficiently. Don't miss the chance to explore its features, the ultimate cleaning companion with the Shark WV201 Juan Vac handheld vacuum. Experience unparalleled cleaning performance with the high-speed, brushless motor that delivers powerful cordless suction. Tackle dirt, dust, and debris effortlessly on various surfaces, from carpets to upholstery. Weighing a mere 1.4 pounds, this handheld vacuum is designed for ultimate maneuverability and easy cleaning. Say goodbye to heavy and cumbersome cleaning tools. The Shark Juan Vac is here to make your cleaning routine a breeze. Keeping your hand vacuum in top-notch condition is a breeze with the detachable dust cup and easily removable filter housing. Enjoy simple maintenance, ensuring your vacuum is always ready for action. Benefit from advanced filtration technology that captures both dust and large debris. Enjoy a thorough and efficient cleaning experience with every use. The sleek charging dock is designed for quick access and fast charging, ensuring your Juan Vac is always ready to tackle cleaning tasks. Experience the convenience of a vacuum that's ready to go whenever you are. Dispose of debris effortlessly with the single touch of a button. No more getting your hands dirty. Enjoy a mess-free and hygienic cleaning experience with the One-Touch Empty feature. Stay informed about your vacuum's charging status and remaining battery life with the LED light on the control panel. Enjoy the convenience of knowing when your Juan Vac is ready for action. The ergonomic handle design provides a comfortable cleaning experience and heightened control. Clean with ease and precision, reaching every nook and cranny. Equipped with tools for pet hair and tight spaces, including the multi-surface pet tool for upholstery, carpets, and pet hair, as well as the duster crevice tool for zeroing in on tight spaces and car cleaning. There you have it, our top 5 best handheld vacuums of 2024. Each of these vacuums brings something unique to your cleaning arsenal, making chores a breeze. Check the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting home gadget content. Until next time, happy cleaning!